Hi hopefuls, thanks so much for coming back to the channel today. I want to wish you guys a happy Easter. By the time you see this, Easter will be over. So today I decided, or on Easter, instead of dinner, having brunch, but still, I wanted to make it simple and still hope didn't do it simple. So I'm just sharing with you guys what I did. So let's get started. I guess I like to start now to explain, because it looks like it is a lot of food, but it looks like a lot of decorations, which it still is. But I like to break down the foundations, how I do it. So maybe I said in my head that I would start cutting on the camera and showing step by step. It just takes longer to do that. Okay, y'all. So started with the placemats, and these are from Dollar Tree, the cream and gold ones. I love to pick up placemats like this. So instead of having a whole tablecloth, it's easier to do placemats and stagger them. Then I have these burlap tablecloths that I had, not tablecloths, placemats from the Target One Spot years ago, and so I just stagger them. So one's up there, one's down here, and it looks like a tablecloth. Then I like to create different, well, let's go back to the decor. I'm sorry, y'all. So I had this on the counter. This is just like one of these, I can't remember what these things called. Are they called a cloche? Cloche, I don't know. I can't remember right now. Filled it with Easter eggs, and of course, Jesus is the reason for the season. But I use what, not a but I use what I already had on hand. I didn't purchase a lot of, I do have some decor, lots of decor with crosses and so forth, but I just pulled out what I had that I didn't use for other places. But you can go around your house and pull those things that you have for decorations and bring them to your tablescape or to your buffetscape too. I do that a lot. Since the color scheme and stuff, I went ahead and did this, but it does let me know that I need to get a little bit more crosses with, like I said, I have, but less bunnies, y'all. I just feel convicted of that. I don't know. I just feel convicted this year. Sometimes I'm not. So I also had this in another place. I just pulled this decor piece. I think this came from Walmart. Your Walmarts may have it. It wasn't too long ago. And the Target Bullseye Playground is a 3-pack of glass bottles. I did not haul that. Sometimes I have stuff in my phone so long, or in my camera for so long, and I'll be like, they don't care, but usually I haul it. This came from Kirkland, so I just turned it around. It says Inspire on this side. Sometimes Kirkland's will get things back in stock, so you can check to see if they have that. So this is a sign from the Dollar Tree, and usually what I do is I use these candlestick holders and I'll lean it up against something, or I will use that 3M tape. Like you see here, I did a sloppy job here, but I tried to press it down. It comes up great, and that holds things together. Now I had a total different banner, y'all, up here, and it just looked like it was, I didn't like the way it looked. It was a bunny banner from Dollar Tree. So don't be afraid to take things down and start over if you have to. Then I put like a few flowers, and then I'll show you guys how I went back in with more flowers. I used some ribbon, and I just kind of coiled the ribbon around the back of here. And then I had these signs here for a while from the Bullseye Playground, and I probably need to spray paint them if I want to use them like somewhere else in the house, because it's mainly neutral throughout the living room. Or either take them to the Goodwill, y'all. So I just pulled out what I already had. I had some of these eggs that I did pick up this year from last year, and I never opened them, from Dollar Tree. I also had like this little circle, I don't know if I hauled it or not, from Target. It's like a circle wreath, and I love using those around the bottoms of like a decor piece or a cake stand. Decor piece, cake stand, a candle holder, not candle holder, a candle, y'all. Okay, and then I also did that over here on this cake stand too. So it's just like a little small wreath. It doesn't quite fit flat, but you just try your best to make it flat as possible. I've used this on my very first Easter tablescape that I uploaded to YouTube, and I was going to use that for the boys for something, but I just went ahead and just added some grass in there and just you know, just placed it there since I already pulled them out and cleaned them off. These little topiaries here, I got them from Target's One Spot 2 Bullseye Playground. So I'm not sure if I got that all at, I think I did all at one time and I never hauled them. I think they were $5 each. And I just put those on each side to create symmetry. And then I think I got this pom-pom little garland from Dollar General. The Easter sign, I had it for years from the Bullseye Playground as well. And then most of my white serving dishes, y'all, I get them from Aldi. So the Bullseye Playground as well has like little things that you can pick up. I believe I picked up this cake stand here. These little, some people use them for candles, and you can also use them to prop your signs for little risers to create height. I also got this one from Target's Bullseye Playground, and these stands here, these are new. So these little ones, they will come back in different sizes around the brim, like different designs and stuff. So just keep a lookout on for those. They're usually like $1. So these white dishes here, Aldi used to bring them out quite regularly, but what you have to do now is just when you see them, you know, look ahead on their upcoming ad that's on the app or on the website and see what they're having, and then make sure you get there and get it for your entertainment pieces. So yeah, most of the white ones, I think this came from just a Target regular kitchen section. The Easter, Happy Easter, I got this from Dollar General. These were like $2.50 to $1. And I'm trying to think what else, y'all. So once I place everything, I go back in with more extra flowers that I already have on hand, and I just tuck them here and there to just fill it out. I kind of just place them really quickly because they're ready to eat today. So what we're having, again, I did go overboard, but I go overboard on everything, and I try to bring it on back. But I already bought the food, and I'm not going to cook for a couple days, so I'm going to wrap this up what they don't eat. And the plan was for them to graze throughout the entire day. So I have some straws over here. You can put like straws in little containers. This is just from the Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of maybe 6. And then some glasses. I have more glasses over there. You can use whatever you would like. Over here, I have some virgin mimosas. So it's just Sprite, orange juice, and the Simply Limeade. Here's some orange juice. I didn't pull out any apple juice, but if they want some, they can just ask, and they can get some over here in our tower of drinks. Over here, I wanted to do chicken and waffles, y'all. And I have 2 waffles with nothing on it. I didn't feel like cutting it down to making it really pretty and square. But these are the Eggo fluffy, thick and fluffy. So I was going to make some, but I was trying to make it easy. And the chicken tenders from Tyson's, I think, that were in a bag from Walmart. I did haul them, and I just put like a mixture, which is over here to the side. You guys will not or cannot see this, but it's a mixture of like honey, butter, and syrup. And I just drizzled some on there. They can add more if they want. We have scrambled eggs, and we don't have any cheese on it because JJ doesn't care for cheese, so it's just easier to just, if they want cheese, they can add cheese. We have some chicken salad, carrot cake. If you hear an alarm, it's Jason's alarm. Some ham. I didn't make a big old ham this year. So when I was hauling like a lot of food preps, I was picking up those little slices of cooked ham already, and I was going to doctor it up. So instead of putting it in the oven and doctoring it up, I just put it on my big old skillet that I was making the bacon, the sausage, and stuff. Always, the boys love these cookies. They're soft. They're pretty. So I go ahead and pick those up. Over here, I have some croissants, so they can make them a ham sandwich. The cheese I did not put out. Well, it's over here, but I didn't put out over here. They can make them a sausage biscuit, whatever they want. They can do that, bacon, whatever. I have some cinnamon rolls. I have a fruit tray. I wanted to have a veggie tray, but they were out of stock. And of course, I could have made mine, but I had enough stuff, or a lot of things to do. Then also some Rice Krispie treat. These items, I don't know if I said it came from Walmart. So most of this stuff came from Walmart that was already pre-made. I'm sure there are other stores you can check out too. This here, I think I got this from Food Line. I did an Instacart because I needed some limeade. So these are blueberry mini muffins. These are the larger croissants. Some turkey sausage, bacon, some ribs. These came from Harris Teeter. So the other day it was JJ's 16th birthday, and I got some wings, and Jason loved their ribs that I got the couple of days maybe before, and so I went ahead and picked one up. So I said, well, I don't want this to seem just like breakfast, also brunch. Cut up the ribs. This is the variety cake from Walmart. I just took it out of the packaging, and some hash browns. And I know y'all was a lot. My boys, they are sitting here waiting to eat. But again, I'm gonna wrap it up what's left like I always do when I make a lot, and they'll come and eat off of it. As well, we all have different choices of things that we like. I definitely wanted the chicken salad. I definitely wanted the hash browns. So some of the things I'm like, do I really want to make this, or are they gonna eat it? And I'm like, well, I want it. So anyway, y'all, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye bye.